You're always the picture taker.
Going from the parking lot in Pisa to Pisa.
This is your turn,
Because they
Sean.
made a parking lot a few years ago for the buses, cars, so that to pick up tourists and add some more fun. It's really to buy the
There's a big site like the tower.
to go from Pisa
There'd be a million
from the
spots.
parking lot to Pisa. So
Oh,
this is a good activity.
here there it
It's
is.
just a the town of Pisa. And me, the Macho Mike, of course.
Little things, but I think if I were driving, I'd just be a little.